Hello guys, bienvenidos al que esperar de la unidad 6 del Interchange Intro. El objetivo de esta unidad es que aprendas a hablar sobre los medios de transporte, la familia y comentar sobre tus rutinas diarias y semanales. Recuerda que este video está diseñado para que puedas tener una vista general del contenido de la unidad y no como un sustituto del libro o la clase. Para sacar el mayor provecho de este video, debes de estudiar las lecciones relacionadas con esta unidad que te dejaré en la descripción del video.
Unit 6. I ride my bike to school. Getting around in the city. Listen and practice. 1,
Walk.
2,
Ride a bike.
3,
Take the train.
4,
Take the subway.
5,
Take the bus.
6,
Take a taxi. Take a cab.
7,
Ride a motorcycle.
8.
Drive.
Conversation. They use public transportation. Listen and practice.
Nice car, Austin. Is it yours?
No, it's my sister's. She has a new job and she drives to work.
Is her job here in the suburbs?
No, it's downtown.
My parents work downtown, but they don't drive to work. They use public transportation.
The bus or the train?
The bus doesn't stop near our house, so they take the train. Nice car, Austin. Is it yours?
No, it's my sister's. She has a new job and she drives to work.
Is her job here in the suburbs?
No, it's downtown.
My parents work downtown, but they don't drive to work. They use public transportation.
The bus or the train?
The bus doesn't stop near our house, so they take the train.
Word power. Family members. Pair work. Complete the sentences about the Mitchell family. Then listen and check your answers. 1,
Lisa is Tom's wife.
2,
Megan and Austin are their children. Megan and Austin are their kids.
3,
Tom is Lisa's husband.
4,
Austin is Lisa's son.
5,
Megan is Tom's daughter.
6,
Austin is Megan's brother.
7,
Megan is Austin's sister.
8.
Tom and Lisa are Austin's parents.
Grammar focus. Simple present statements.
I walk to school. I don't live far from here.
You ride your bike to school. You don't live near here.
He works near here. He doesn't work downtown.
She takes the bus to work. She doesn't drive to work.
We live with our parents. We don't live alone.
They use public transportation. They don't need a car.
Don't equals do not. Doesn't equals does not.
Grammar focus. simple present statements with irregular verbs.
I have a bike. My mother has a car.
We do our homework every day. My father does a lot of work at home.
My parents go to work by train. The train goes downtown.
Pronunciation. Third person, singular S endings. Listen and practice. Notice the pronunciation of the S endings. S equals S.
Take, takes. Sleep, sleeps.
S equals Z.
Drive, drives. Study, studies.
ES equals is.
Dance, dances. Watch, watches.
Irregular.
Do, does. Have, has.
Conversation. What time do you get up? Listen and practice.
Let's go to the park Sunday morning.
Good idea. But let's go in the afternoon. I sleep late on weekends.
What time do you get up?
I get up at noon.
Really? That's late. Do you eat breakfast at noon?
Yeah. What time do you get up?
At 10 o'clock.
Oh, that's early for a Sunday.
Hey, I have an idea. Let's eat at Park Cafe. They serve breakfast all day. Let's go to the park Sunday morning.
Good idea. But let's go in the afternoon. I sleep late on weekends.
What time do you get up?
I get up at noon.
Really? That's late. Do you eat breakfast at noon?
Yeah. What time do you get up?
At 10 o'clock.
Oh, that's early for a Sunday.
Hey, I have an idea. Let's eat at Park Cafe. They serve breakfast all day.
Simple present questions.
Do you get up early on Sundays?
No, I get up late.
Does he eat breakfast at 7 o'clock?
No, he eats breakfast at 7:30.
Do they take a taxi to class?
No, they take the bus.
What time do you get up?
At noon.
What time does she have dinner?
At 8 o'clock.
When do they take the subway?
On Mondays and Wednesdays.
Pon a prueba tu dominio de esta gramática completando los ejercicios A, B y C.
Listening. Kayla's weekly routine. Listen to Kayla talk about her weekly routine. Check the days she does each thing.
Do you get up early every day, Kayla?
Well, I get up early on weekdays and on Saturdays. I go to school from Monday to Friday, and I work on Saturdays, so I get up around 7 o'clock.
How about on Sundays?
Sundays? That's the day I sleep late.
What else do you do? I mean, what do you do for fun during the week?
I love tennis. I play 3 times a week, on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Oh, and I also go shopping on Saturdays after work.
What about the rest of the weekend? When do you see your friends?
Let's see. I see friends on Fridays and Saturdays. That's in the evening. But not on Sunday evenings. My family always eats dinner together then.
When do you study?
Every day.
Wow, you're really busy.
A fin de poner en práctica lo aprendido, prepárate para tener a mano tu rutina diaria y semanal. En la clase tendrás la oportunidad de practicar con un compañero o compañera haciendo y respondiendo preguntas al respecto. Adicionalmente, el libro te refiere a la página 120, donde encontrarás esta práctica adicional. En ella se te invita a ir entre los miembros de la clase a fin de encontrar entre tus compañeros a personas que cumplan con los requisitos de la lista.
Reading. What's your schedule like?
Every week, we interview someone with an unusual schedule. In this week's interview, we meet Mike Watts, a professional sleeper. Yes, that's correct. Mike's job pays him to sleep. Here, Mike talks to us about his schedule. Hi, Mike. Thanks for talking to us. What's your schedule like?
Hi there. My schedule's strange, but I love it. I go to bed at 10 p.m. in a different hotel room every night.
Wow, that's cool. Do you get up early?
Yes, I get up at 6 a.m. I'm an early bird. I like the morning. At 8 a.m., I have a big breakfast in the hotel restaurant.
So, who pays you to do that?
I work for a travel blog. They pay me to stay in different hotels and write about them. People read the blog and go to the hotels. Right now, I'm at a hotel in Finland, Hotel Finn.
And what do you do before you go to bed?
Every afternoon, from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m., I write about each room. I talk about the bed, the lights, the noise.
Who reads the blog?
Lots of different people read it. Business people, tourists, travel agencies, people who want to know about hotels, really.
What do you do in the evening?
At 7 p.m., I talk to the hotel manager. Then I go to my new room and go to bed.
Do you like sleeping?
Yes, I do. I'm very good at it.
Para concluir con esta unidad, completa el siguiente ejercicio basado en la lectura anterior y, adicionalmente, escribe un pequeño párrafo donde expliques si eres un early bird o a night owl. Eso significa que si te gusta levantarte temprano, si eres un madrugador o eres una persona que prefiere permanecer despierta y activa durante las últimas horas de la noche y puede acostarse las primeras horas de la mañana. O sea, un noctámbulo. Así concluimos con esta lección. Espero que te haya sido útil. Si así lo fue, por favor, apóyame para seguir creando este tipo de contenido, dándole like y suscribiéndote al canal. Hasta la próxima.